Features with you need may be an Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker, Portable Ice Machine with Handle, Self-Cleaning Ice Makers, 26 pounds/24 hour. 9 ice cubes ready in 6 minutes for home kitchen bar party. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including Fast Maker. Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker has a powerful and fast ice making capacity. Makes batches of ice cubes in about 26 pounds of ice in per day and makes batches of ice cubes in about 6 to 13 minutes. Don't worry about running out of ice. Especially in the hot summer, you can enjoy drinks and beer with ice cubes. Note, for normal use, please must let machine stand upright for 4 hours before first use. Quiet and energy. This portable countertop ice maker machine achieves low noise level, fast cooling effect and low consumption with powerful compressor. It runs at less than 35 decibels, which means your entertainment will not be disturbed. Antarctic Ice Maker made of food-grade material, just for your health and safety, no odor. Durable ABS shell, smooth and easy to clean. Intelligent LED display lets you know the time to add the water. It's equipped with alarm light and automatic shutdown function. Take out the ice cubes. The machine will automatically go into the ice making mode. You just plug into main and add some water, then press the button. Large translucent window for easy observation. It also comes with a removable ice basket and scoop, convenient for you to transfer ice cubes to your drink or ice bucket. Portable and compact, just 9.8 x 12.2 x 12.6 inch. This ice maker portable, convenient, and compact in size. In terms of user-friendliness, mini ice maker does not require any permanent installation. Compact, easy to clean, control and transport. With a outlet and drain plug at the bottom, easy to empty the unused water. Perfect for camping, boating, gathering and taking RV trips, and also fit for kitchen, home, office, coffee shop. The best idea for summer parties. Wide applications. Our portable ice makers, countertop ice makers, are suited for RVs or boats, camping, bar, tea shop, KTV, kitchen, and office. Or tailgating situations where you want ice but you're near neither a fridge nor a cooler filled with store-bought ice. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.